welcome back to our EVS class. Students, as you all know, our chapter number 26 is completed. So today we are starting with another new chapter, that is lesson number 28, as you can see on the board, that is work, force and energy. So students, in the previous yesterday I have sent you the test and you all have done that very nicely. I will be checking within 2-3 days, and also I have sent the PDF file of question answers of chapter number 26, and I hope you all have done that. Yes, a bookwork is pending. I will be sending that too with this chapter. So yes, today we are starting with another new chapter, that is lesson number 28, work, force and energy. Here we will be learning about the work, that what is work, what is force and what is energy, right? So these three are the different things. First of all, we will be learning about the force. So what is force? Okay, when you to open a door, what we do? We just pull sometime or we push that, right? So we are using two things here, push or pull, to open or close the door. It means when we are pushing or pulling something on a body, a pull or a push on a body, कोई भी बॉडी, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट पर अगर हम कभी पुश कर रहे हैं या पुल कर रहे हैं, that is known as force. That is called as force. Clear? So what is force? A push or a pull on an object is called a force on a body. Like push or pull applied on a body. जो body के ऊपर हम push or pull apply कर रहे हैं, that is known as force. Push or pull applied on a body is known as force. Now, all movements are the result some kinds of forces. कोई भी चीज की मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं, कोई भी बॉडी की मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं, it includes in force. तो उसे हम force कहेंगे. When we are throwing a ball, we are using force. When we are catching the ball, we are using force. Right? So like this, in everywhere we are using our force. Like if we are pushing anything, here we are using force. So here I will be telling you about the kinds of forces and the effects of forces. So firstly I am going to tell you about their effects. So what are the effects of forces? Like when you are taking swings and somebody is pushing you, so what is going here? It will change the speed, right? कभी हम swings ले रहे हैं, कभी हमारी speed high हो जाएगी, कभी speed low हो जाएगी. So it brings the change in speed. When you are playing badminton, what will happen? Like we are playing badminton and the shuttle जब हमारे पास आ रही है, we are pushing that with our bat and it will change the direction of that object. जिस भी force से हमारे पास वो आ रही है, हम उसको throw करेंगे, जिस भी direction में throw करेंगे, it will change the direction. So the next thing is direction पे भी फर्क पड़ता है. Then if you are having a football or basketball, and what you will do is, if you will push that, it will change the shape of that ball little bit. So here changing of shape will be happen, correct? So like this, speed change, direction change, and we can change the direction, change the speed of moving object. We can change the shape, and if somebody is throwing a ball to us, we can stop that also. We can stop an object. किसी भी object को हम stop कर सकते हैं. And अगर कोई somebody is using a toy car and we are pushing that, और अगर हमें उसे रोकना है, वो कार चल रही है, we can just push that and हम उसको दोबारा से rest motion में ला सकते हैं, उसको stop करके, right? So like this, these are the effects of the forces. Now I will be telling you about the kinds of forces. So what are the kinds of forces? There are many kinds of forces. बहुत type की forces हैं. So one by one we will be learning द्रव्यमान, that is the muscular force. And the muscular force is that force in which we are using our arms. Okay, keep it in your mind. Muscular force is the force in which we are using our body, right? So the first thing, muscular force is the force when somebody is pushing a table or when we are catching a ball. Here we are using our we are using our arms, right? So this force is known as the muscular force when we are using our body's force, जब हम जहाँ पर हमारी बॉडी की फोर्स लग रही है. Okay, then next muscular force it is. Then next is we are having gravitational force. So what is the gravitational force? Okay, so gravitational force is the force in which earth pulls the things to earth. जो अर्थ है वो अपनी तरफ थिंग्स को पुल कर देती है. लाइक आई एम थ्रोइंग दिस चॉक, यू कैन सी इफ आई विल थ्रो दिस चॉक व्हाट विल हैपन, विल इट स्टे इन द एयर? क्या ये एयर में स्टे करेगा? आई एम थ्रोइंग इट, व्हेन विल इट स्टे इन द एयर? लाइक आई एम थ्रोइंग इट ऑन दिस. सो ये किस फोर्स से नीचे गया है? इस फोर्स का नेम होता है ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. जिस फोर्स से ये चॉक नीचे जा रहा है या कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट हम थ्रो कर रहे हैं ऑन द फ्लोर, ऑन आवर हैंड, कहीं से भी अगर हम कोई चीज को थ्रो कर रहे हैं, ये जिस फोर्स से नीचे जा रहा है, दिस फोर्स इज नोन एज ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. इन द हायर क्लासेस यू विल बी लर्निंग अबाउट these forces more in different types of experiments. So you will be learning more about these forces in the higher classes, but in this class it is you all have to just know what are these forces. So the force applied by the earth or by the floor, so this is gravitational force. This force is known as gravitational force. Then next we are having magnetic force. Magnetic force is the force where force is applied by the magnet. Like I am making a magnet here and I am having iron nails. Iron nails है मेरे पास. So what will happen is ये जो iron nails हैं ये भी iron के हैं and it is a magnet. Magnet will pull the iron. Magnet क्या करेगी? iron को अपनी तरफ pull कर लेगी. So this is the force applied by the magnet is known as magnetic force. Understand? So what is the magnetic force? Then after this we are having elastic force. Okay, right now I am having one elastic, so I will be telling you about the elastic force. So this is the elastic force, and what you need is to do this. You should have, just a moment. Okay, so what you need to do is you should have elastic with you. You should have a stone or some small object. What will happen is, suppose it is a like proper elastic. इसको जो proper जो होता है जिससे हम stone throw करने के लिए use करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं catapult, right? So catapult वो थिंग होती है जब इस तरह से हम जिसे हम बुलेट बोलते हैं. I think इससे आपको सबको समझ आ जाएगा. So that is known as catapult, and we are using that elastic to throwing the stone, right? So I am using this rubber band or elastic. So what you will do is आप यहाँ पर stone रखेंगे और ये stone को क्या कर देगा? थ्रो कर देगा अपनी elastic की force से. When we are throwing anything with the elastic force, that is known as elastic force. Okay, that is known as elastic force. When we stretch the rubber strip of the catapult, it applies a force on the stone. ये object के ऊपर force लगा देगी, and that force is known as elastic force. Understand? Now the next, which is the last force, is the mechanical force. So what is the mechanical force? Like we are using everywhere some tools. In every profession there are the work of tools. और जो tools से work हो रहा है, when we are applying force with the help of tools, that force, when we are applying force with the help of tools, that force is known as the mechanical force. उस force को हम बोलेंगे mechanical force. Like the force applied with the help of tools is called mechanical force. We can say example, when we are using a pair of scissors, when we are using pair of scissors and we are cutting a paper, and or we can say when we are opening a bottle with the help of opener. Here we are using opener as a tool, and force applied by the opener is known as mechanical force. So mechanical force name से पता चल रहा है mechanic tools, right? तो उससे जो force लग रही है that is the mechanical force. Again giving you recap, what is force? Push or pull applied on a body is called force. And then there are 5 kinds of forces I told you. Muscular force. Muscular force in which we are using our muscle, and force applied by the muscles is known as muscular force. Gravitational force is force applied by the earth. Okay, force like earth is pulling the objects towards us. And then magnetic force is the force where force is applied by the magnet. Elastic force, where force is applied by the elastic on an object. And mechanical force, force is applied by the tools on some objects. These are the 5 kinds of forces. So that is all, and I want to give you the reminder of the test. I will be taking test of lesson number 20, and yes, test of lesson number 19 will be checking in 2-3 days. So do not worry, do not send me the messages. Please check. I will check. Okay. So these are the 5 kinds of forces. You have to learn it properly. What you have to do is you have to learn you have to read this chapter जहाँ तक हमने आज करा है forces तक. About the first topic you all have to read this chapter, and also you have to prepare for the lesson number 20 test. I will be taking written test. So yes students, that is all for today. In the next session I will be telling you about the work and the energies. There are lots of types of energies too. We will be learning about that. And yes, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye all, and take care.